One thing I love about our Catholic faith, about being Catholic is this, yung meaning niya. Anong meaning ng Catholic? Universal, parang remote. Pero few of us know this. Merong another meaning ng Catholic. Universal kasi parang hirap pang intindihin eh. Medyo malalim pa rin eh. Pero there's another meaning ng Catholic. Ang ibig niya sabihin din ay all-embracing. We are not telling na tayo lang ang pupunta sa langit. We tell that everyone, everybody can go to heaven. We embrace everyone. Unity, no groupings, no divisions. Sa Catholic, walang mahirap, walang mayaman. And today, God wants you to widen your embrace. Huwag nang mag-classify. Huwag nang mag-categorize. Lalo na kung magkaiba kayo ng paniniwala. We are all one. We are all equally loved. Working for the unity of God's family is costly. Ibig sabihin, mahirap. Real unity is not cheap. It's very costly. Ibig sabihin, maraming dapat gawin para maging isa tayo. Ano yon? It requires sacrifice. Dying to oneself. Paano ka mamamatay sa sarili mo? Feeling mo tama ka pero i-let go mo na lang yun sa argument. Am I making sense? Para lang maiwasan ng division. All of this mahirap. Kaya hirap maging united. Lalo na kapag naiisip mo na yung mga nanakit sa'yo. Lalo na kung naisip mo na yung mga nambastos sa'yo. Lalo na kung naiisip mo na yung mga nag-block sa'yo. Lalo na nung panahon ng eleksyon. Ang hirap maging united, lalo na kapag yung isang tao nasaktan ka niya ng sobra. Ninakawan ka. Nagsalita behind your back. Ang hirap maging isa, Lord. Lord, ang hirap maging united. Sinaktan niya ako eh. Binalahura niya ako eh. But I want you to look at the crucifix. Jesus showed us how to love them. Jesus died not only for his disciples. Listen to this. Jesus died also for his enemies. He embraced them. But why did Jesus do this? To show you how to love. To show you the real meaning of love. It's embracing everyone.